People who write in the same color of the background. Satan. Me casually playing games knowing that I have 6 unfinished assignments due tomorrow.
I like it, cut G.
I hear a voice. It's my girlfriend. I'm a redditor. Bisexuals when someone says goodbye. Finishing a test early in 5th grade. Finishing a test early in 8th grade. Vision. Supervision. Division. Prevision. Your salary won't be very good starting out. Is that okay? My performance won't be very good until it is. That okay? When you prayed to God to remove your dad's problem and next day you find yourself in heaven. Me, damn that test was difficult. Friend, yeah but the backside was even worse. Me. I beg your pardon. Me exists. My grandma. Wouldn't that make you a handsome young man? Having big tits cause you're fat is like having a fast car because it's falling off a cliff. When she whips out her dick. Did I miss a page? Cringe weeboos. Normal anime fans. Every Indian after he completes his education. I go to America. Rare footage of what happens inside Infinity Stones. A Diet Coke please. I don't want to get fat. Candles when everybody is around. Candles when nobody is home. Demons in my room after I face other side of the wall. Doctor comes in. What's your astronomical sign again? Me, Cancer. Doctor, how ironic. Me. Minecraft village doesn't have a blacksmith. Me. Nature is beautiful. Me has a stomach ache. My parents. Video games. If poison expires, is it more poisonous or no longer poisonous? I don't need sleep, I need answers. Kid, Dad, I'm being bullied at school. His dad, who works for the CIA. Wow, that's so weird they just disappeared. Butchers. Gay male pornsters. Beating a lot of meat. Round Earth research. Flat Earth research. Swan dies of a broken heart after teenagers smashed her eggs with bricks. Satan. Pof, you installed Reddit. Girls around you. Men's pockets be like. When you're happy you enjoy the music. When you're sad, you understand the lyrics. Baby shark do do do. Your crush. You. Your alarm clock. No you ain't. I'm so glad to see the new Space Jam movie promoting realistic body types. Muslim, wears hijab. Karens. Wouldn't that make you a terrorist? Me is sad. My dog. I said we happy today. If Vector from Despicable Me would be cat he would look like this. Me after scrolling through Reddit for an hour. We're funny. You have to give a presentation, but you have a boner. Nobody notices. Nobody notices. 7-year-old me sleeping peacefully on my bed. My dad who picked me up from the sofa. I want you to come versus you can come if you want. When the nice man gives you Smarties in a nightclub. My friend had a dream where I was a billionaire. Other friend, I had a dream where was the president. My dreams. Flight attendant, yawns. Deaf passengers. These are stronger than some people's relationships. Why must you hurt me in this way? Popular guy tells the worst joke known to man. The girl that has a crush on him. When your best friend is being a jerk but that's your best friend for life. Fuck you and I will see you tomorrow.